A resort. Another than a vlog. Yes, it's resorts of our place. It's different resort. As you can see, it's different one. July 2025. Vacation at the Philippines. There's another slide over there with my kiddos enjoying the hot weather. Look at this. Duyan duyan. Nice. There, a lot of orchids, cottage everywhere. Kami lang ngayon dahil busy. It's a weekday, so yeah. Orchids without flower. Go slide now, guys. Come on, go, 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 go.
Jerome is going.
Yee! Ooh! Giniginaw na. It's a perfect weather. It's not too hot. It's not cold. Yeah. It's windy.
There's a nuke falling.
Come on! Go! Woo! Go, 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 Jerome!
Typhoon.
Go! Wow! Woo! Kaboom! 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 That's enjoying. May ilaw pala dyan sa taas. Here open 8 to 7 every day.
The flash.
Sunny now. Oh la 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 la. Look at this. Entrance over there.
Huh?
Slide to. Another slide is for babies.
Because portrait is darker.
Woo! Oh no! Woo! Ang lakas ng flash. The water going to my mouth. Yeah! Hello everyone. It's another day, another vlog. Philippines. Vacation of Philippines. We're going touring you guys. Dararan, daran, daran, daran. This is the cottage. Over there, the cottage. Entrance over there, but far. Ang init ng paa ko. Aray ko. Yan, let's go here. The shower. Come and visit here, guys. Shower area. In my place, there's a flower over here. This is stair. I think this stair is going to slide. Dito tayo. Deck. View deck here. View deck, and then you can see the beach over there. Beach. Doon ang beach, so guys. Dagat. Ewan ko kung may jet ski dito. They said they have a jet ski. Over here, there. Dagat. Dagat, dagat. It's another resort, guys. A lot of resort here, our place. Yan. Let's go down. Bye-bye. Thank you. Hindi ko nakuha sarapan. Yeah. Here, Amer. Alright, let's go. Slide, guys. Mag-slide ako. Bye-bye. See you later, alligator. Thank you for watching. Bye.